Working with drills and angle grinders gets easier when you have the right attachments. I have listed the best 20 attachments you can get on Amazon that can help you get more out of your tools. These attachments can save you time and make different tasks simpler, whether you're working on wood, metal, or doing some home repairs. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Milwaukee Cordless Grinder. Featuring a paddle switch for easy activation, debris baffles to prevent internal clogging, a tool-free adjustable guard, and a 3-position side handle, this cordless grinder offers versatility and durability. Compatible with M18 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, it delivers powerful performance for various cutting applications. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, making it ideal for professionals seeking efficiency and reliability in their tools. DIY Crafts Routing Rotabit. Crafted from high-speed steel with a 1/8-inch shank, this rotary file is perfect for woodworking and carving tasks. Its durable construction ensures a long lifespan, providing superior performance on soft materials like wood and plastic. Ideal for intricate designs, beveling edges, and cutting slots, this tool offers precision and control, making it a valuable addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolkit. Actin Tool Bush Hammer Tool. Designed to create anti-slip finishes on granite and marble, this bush hammer tool effectively removes hard coatings and overlays. It prepares concrete surfaces with CSP 4-5 roughness, enhancing bonding effectiveness for high-build coatings. Compatible with speed-adjustable angle grinders like Makita 9227CB, it's ideal for marble, granite texturing, and concrete surface preparation, offering a homogeneous rough texture for various applications. WearBit Check. This upright positionable, multi-component bit set features impactor technology, ensuring an above-average service life even under extreme conditions. Particularly suitable for use with customary impact drivers, it includes a holder with a ring magnet for simple holding of longer and heavier screws, making it ideal for overhead work. The set offers durability and efficiency for demanding tasks. Yuzuo Floor Drill Press Stand. This heavy-duty drill stand accommodates power drills with collar diameters from 38 mm to 43 mm, thanks to the supplied reducing bush. It allows precise drilling on surfaces, round workpieces, and boards. Featuring separate adjustments for press depth and drill height, it minimizes the risk of over-drilling. The adjustable drill collar suits various tools, making it a cost-effective alternative to a full drill press. Wizzywheel Belt Sander. Compatible with 4.5-inch or 5-inch electric angle grinders, this belt sander features an ergonomic design with a slide switch and lock-on function. It offers 6 levels of variable speed control and includes 3 exchangeable working arms for woodworking, metal, and plastic applications. The head swivels 180 degrees, providing versatility and ease of use for various sanding tasks. Bosch Chuck with SDS Plus. This versatile, keyless 3-jaw chuck enables rotation drilling for masonry, brick, and block. Built for use with all Bosch and competitive brand SDS Plus hammers, it features keyless ratcheting that quickly locks straight shank drill bits into place. Constructed with a steel metal sleeve, it offers maximum rugged durability, enhancing productivity on job sites. PolishSurf Diamond Polishing Pads. This 4-inch diamond polishing pad set includes grits number 50 to number 1500 and a hook and loop backing pad, suitable for marble, quartz, travertine, granite, and concrete polishing. Designed for both wet and dry applications, it's recommended to use with water for optimal results. The set provides a comprehensive solution for achieving a high-quality finish on various stone surfaces. Zelken Hole Saw Kit. This 4-in-1 hole saw kit includes a 4.4-inch pilot drill and 3 hole saws, 30 mm, 50 mm, 65 mm, for quick, clean cuts in commonly needed sizes. The custom shank works with SDS Plus tools from major manufacturers, enhancing the utility of your hammer drill. Made from high-quality chromium steel and tungsten alloy, the set ensures durability for heavy-duty use. Wizzywheel Decal Remover Eraser Wheel. This 4-inch rubber eraser wheel quickly eliminates vinyl decals, adhesives, and pinstripes from vehicles and boats without scratching paint or damaging surfaces. It includes a universal drill adapter for easy attachment to standard drills, requiring no special tools or expertise. Crafted from premium-grade rubber, it offers a dependable solution for various decal removal projects. Swenxin Airless Paint Spray Gun. Pressure 5000 psi or 345 bar with tip 517 with a 3600 psi maximum pressure, 4-finger trigger, and soft pull. This airless paint spray gun ensures precise control. The forged gun head and built-in 100 mesh filter enhance durability and reduce clogs. Its 180-degree swivel, tip guard, 517 spray tip, and 10-inch extension bar facilitate easy access to hard-to-reach areas. The built-in hose swivel minimizes hose twists, making it ideal for professional painting tasks. FTV Hinge Woodworking Opener. Crafted from high-quality premium plastic, this lightweight yet sturdy woodworking opener offers a long service life. Its accurate scale and unique design allow for easy, precise drilling and positioning, making it perfect for installing door hinges and drawer guides. Compact and easy to carry, it's an essential tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professional carpenters, enhancing the speed and quality of woodworking operations. Lugary Buffing Polishing Pads. This comprehensive set includes 4 sponge pads, 2 wool pads, 1 towel pad, an M14 drill adapter, and a suction cup. Each pad varies in softness to cater to different polishing needs, from removing oxidation and scratches to achieving a perfect shine. The M14 adapter fits most drills, and the pads are washable and reusable, making them ideal for car grooming, headlight restoration, and polishing various surfaces. Kreg Durable Pocket Hole Jig. Designed for precision, this pocket hole jig works with materials ranging from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch thick. Its quick material thickness setup, sturdy construction, and lifetime drill guide warranty ensure durability. Features like an anti-slip base, adjustable spacing, and fall-proof setup make it versatile for both indoor and outdoor projects, providing strong pocket hole joints with ease. Dremel Right Angle Attachment. Enhancing the versatility of your Dremel rotary tool, this right angle attachment allows access to hard-to-reach areas. Its fixed 90 degrees angled head ensures stability and visibility during tasks like drilling, grinding, or cutting. Equipped with ball bearings and spiral bevel gears, it offers long-lasting durability and smooth operation. The Quick Connect system ensures easy attachment, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. Angela and Alex Pressure Washer Sandblasting Kit. This sandblasting kit includes a 3-meter hose, 16-inch pressure washer wand, 15 3/4-inch sand wand, goggles, for hose clamps, for ceramic nozzles, and 2 rubber bands. Operating at up to 5000 psi, it's ideal for removing rust, graffiti, paint, and grease. Made from corrosion-resistant brass and stainless steel, it connects easily with a 1/4-inch quick connector, enhancing cleaning efficiency for both household and industrial applications. Juihau Firewood Log Splitter. Constructed from high-quality carbon steel, this firewood splitter drill bit is strong, impact-resistant, and durable. Its deep thread design reduces friction, allowing for quick and easy wood splitting, enhancing work efficiency. The pointed head and non-slip groove design prevent slipping, and it's compatible with both manual and electric drills. Suitable for splitting hickory, oak, sycamore, and walnut, it's perfect for home, outdoor, camping, and farm use. Malco TS1 Turbo Shear. This turbo shear attachment converts your power drill into a powerful shear, capable of cutting various materials including steel mesh, ductwork, and automobile body panels. Its sleek, lightweight aluminum cast shear head and dual ball bearings ensure durability and smooth operation. Compatible with 14.4 volt or larger ARC or cordless drills, it's an essential tool for FAC professionals and metalworkers. DeWalt Right Angle Attachment. Enhancing the versatility of your Dremel rotary tool, this right angle attachment allows access to hard-to-reach areas. Its fixed 90 degrees angled head ensures stability and visibility during tasks like drilling, grinding, or cutting. Equipped with ball bearings and spiral bevel gears, it offers long-lasting durability and smooth operation. The Quick Connect system ensures easy attachment, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. AutoTool Home Flexible Extension Drill Bit Holder. Featuring high hardness and rugged construction, this flexible drill bit extension is designed for durability and ease of use. Its hexagon handle and 6.35mm screwdriver head make it compatible with various tools. The metal hose can bend up to 300 degrees, allowing rotation in different directions, making it ideal for reaching tight corners and narrow spaces. It's a professional solution for tasks where ordinary screwdrivers can't reach. Whether you're a DIY warrior or a professional looking to upgrade your toolkit, these 20 drill and angle grinder attachments are absolute game changers for getting the job done faster, cleaner, and smarter. From precision polishing to heavy-duty cutting, these Amazon finds bring serious power and versatility to your hands. Want to snag the best deals? Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tool lovers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content, tips, and reviews.